What's going on, people? My bad. Jimmy C. Jules here. I'm back with another video.
Where we at? We're right now somewhere out of the country.
Today's Flashback Friday footage, once again, is from my good old Sony camera.
We passed Philly.
And it takes us to the time where we drove
God knows where we at.
35 hours straight,
For sure, that was not in Boston.
over 2,200 miles to take part in a charity event with my clients in Laredo, Texas. Well, I know you see the title of the video, so before we get into it, do me a favor and smash that like button.
They're speaking Spanish, I know a translator.
I will get current and up to date with the videos, but there's so much more footage I need to catch you guys up on first. Trust me, it will all be worth it and really give you a better idea of where I am today. And that counts, right? Travel back in time with me to the days way before this pandemic. I hope you enjoy the video. There's a lot more interesting things to see. And in case you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Then turn on post notifications right now to help us grow and you don't miss out on future posts.
Later that same evening.
Send them come one by one by one. Send
Waffle House.
them come one by one.
Huh?
2 hours later.
It's 11:30,
10:30.
10:30. Yeah, this time around here, but he's doing what he's been doing best the whole trip.
It's just a whole trip.
You don't know what the hell's going on.
30 hours of sleep, 2 hours of driving, and 8 hours of eating.
Yeah, we're stuck on this monster ass traffic jam. I've been here a minute. What the hell is going on? Would you like to comment on that?
The next day.
Yeah, my fault, nigga.
It looks like you got 40 there. God will knows already up.
What are these guys talking about? Border Patrol police everywhere. Where'd they go?
Who's recording that shit?
Huh?
So you recorded me?
Nah, not those parts.
He said no. Hey, watch your
It's
profile.
slightly edited.
Eventually.
We had a long ride. No sleep.
Don't even believe him. I haven't had no sleep because of all three of these. We all
You not sleeping, you not sleeping, everybody not sleeping.
had to stay up late so this case something happens. My age is showing up.
Surprise, mother.
Am I allowed to use my ID to go in there, or I gotta bring a passport?
Just across your ID. Because you want to pass during the night. If I was you, just gonna cross that.
He needs some milk.
So the border is actually right there.
Girl, they try to bag you up.
No, God, please, no, no.
There's no hip hop in this market right here. Even though it's an urban station, they still only play pop music. We about to show them what's going on down here in South Texas in this market that's untapped.
Let go show them the other.
Check this out, man. If you don't got a system with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 28 batteries, you don't know what you're doing.
Day 3. 3 hours later.
From Boston, so let them know where y'all from.
I'm from Hawaii.
Hawaii, okay. Wait, what's your name?
Albert.
Albert, okay, wait, what are you gonna do for us, Albert?
I got 11 cents here in my hand. As you can see, my hands are empty, you know. What we do here is put them on top of each other. Give me a little shake, and you can see the other one. Jump. What the what?
Do that one more time, please.
No, he'll give it away. A magician don't share the secret.
Don't reveal your trick. I just want to say that one more time. I think I was blinking or something.
I got a. You have a $1 bill?
$1 bill.
I think I have it.
Yeah, I think I might.
I'm making this appear.
There you go. He just took my money.
$1 bill, right? $1 bill. What we do here is to fold it nice and tight and straight so the edges are nice and perfect. Oh, see that? It's upside down.
Oh, wow.
It's a little illusion, you know.
Wow. Thank you.
Soon after.
Smile, the camera.
Who are you guys?
Core from Zapata County. My name is Mary Jo Sanchez.
Paola Marie Hasso. Cassandra Marie Gutierrez.
All right, thanks, guys.
want to take a break?
I will take a break.
Training them and showing them how to answer the call?
That's what you have on.
Shots fired! Shots
Can you spell that for me, please?
Got 2 people calling right now. One.
One second,
Hold on, F-R-A-N.
They're speaking Spanish. How do I transfer?
Oh! He needs some milk!
3 hours later.
Hopefully, so they ain't got hit nothing internet in this car. You got the dog right there.
It is, right? I knew I heard him. You find out some...
Later.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. In Texas, baby. Hold on. Can you say oh, yeah for me? Say oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I know you want to say it. Oh, you don't want to say it. That's cool. Still got Mama and Papa to say, hey, look at Texas. Oh, we in Texas right now.
Long ass ride. Shopping time.
For some reason, we walking in the mall and I haven't seen any mall. Can we get like a 7 Fox? Can we get a TJ Maxx or Marshall? Riding all the way down to Texas. We were listening to that West Coast, man, the whole time.
You know we gotta get out through here.
Yep. Look at him. Big old raccoon head. Oh, no. Oh.
Several bad puns later.
Hey, Jules, I'm doing your work. You owe me.